Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipdrop AI. First of all, head over to clipdrop.co. Over here, on the top right, you can sign in or sign up to your existing account. If you don't have one, you can either continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, or type in your email address on the top left. On the top. I'm going to continue with Google. Once you have an account, you can scroll down and look at their tools. I'm going to be using their Stable Diffusion Excel tool. Over here, you can choose your art styles, aspect ratio, and negative prompt over here. Otherwise, you can just hit generate. Another tool in this is their remove or replace background tool. For this, you can try it with an example or upload your own file. I'll show you one of them, like this shoe example over here. And as you can see, it completely got rid of the background from the image. You can try it with this car too. You can also upload your own images, but I'm going to be using their base images. And it's done removing the background. You can see that it perfectly cut it out. You can change the scale of it too, increase the size or do whatever. Otherwise, that sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.